Hello guys, welcome to 450 DSA Cracker Series, and we have done total 20 questions, and today is our 21st question. We have also done this question, find the array. We have done total 21 questions. Find if the array in any subarray with sum equal to 0. You can check it out in our last video. In today's video, we will be covering our next problem, that is find the factorial of a large number. I am being involved in many of the things, that's why I am unable to continue the series, but still I'm continuing it, and from now I will be consistent over this thing. Today is 6th June, and let's begin it again on doing it to our 22nd day of our streak. Let's continue this. Find the factorial of the large number. Let's head on to the problem. So what is the problem statement here is, what is the problem statement here is, given an integer n, find its factorial. So for an integer n we have to find the factorial. Return a list of integers denoting the digits that make up the factorial of n. Okay, so if it is given n equal to 5, for example n equal to 5, then factorial n factorial is equal to what? N factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Okay, that is equal to 120. And in this question it is asked that we have to give the output in a single digit, so our output should look like 1 comma 2 comma 0. Okay, in this way this should look like. Okay, so let's head on to the code, and how will I solve this to get the perfect solution. Okay, so let's head on to the code. It is given class of solution defined, we have defined the factorial, and next fact is equal to 1. Let me first complete the code and then I will explain it to you how I get this solution of the given code. Okay, 2 comma n plus 1 fact This is basically a brute force approach what we are using here to solve this problem. This is one of the basic problems which we face in our interviews, basically in the quant and consulting based companies, in which we have to create this kind of tools to find factorial. Okay, so let's run this program and check whether it is working or not. Yes, it is working. And let's submit the code whether it is working for all test cases or not. Yes, it is working for all test cases, and hence in this way we can solve the solution. And as in this problem, what I have done is, first it is already given that class and function is defined. After that, the function, this defines the factorial function. Okay, inside the solution case, it takes one argument n, which is the integer whose factorial we want to compute, fact equal to 1. Then we have taken fact equal to 1, initializes a variable fact with value 1. This will hold the running product, and then we have iterated the loop. This iterated a loop. This loop starts from 2 and goes up to including n. Why from 2? Because multiplying by 1 doesn't change the result, and if n equal to 5, then I is equal to 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so in this way we can find the factorial, and in the next step we have incremented fact by I multiply the current value of fact by I. Each iteration, this builds up a factorial. Starts fact equal to 1, then I equal to 2, then I equal to 3, then I equal to 4, 5, 6 and so on. since if I is equal to 2, then 1 into 2, if I equal to 3, then 2 into 3, if I equal to 4, then 2 into 3, that is equal to 6 into 6 into 4, that is equal to 24. And similarly, what we get, if I equal to 4, that is 24, and then it is again multiplied by 5 such that we get 120. And in the last step we have return the answer in singular digits, like using int digit for digit in string fact. So string fact converts the final factorial number into a string, so we can loop this through its digits, example 120 to 120 string, and then int digit for digit in, it takes each character from this string and converts it into an integer, so such that we can finally get 1 comma 2 comma 0 as our result. In this way we have solved this problem, and this is frequently asked problem from basic one most of the companies like Morgan Stanley, Microsoft, Samsung, MakeMyTrip, MQ, Software Adobe, Philips, and BrowserStack. So you should go through it, and this is the approach I have used. Follow for more videos. Thank you and have a grateful day.